By adding the report item, we are basically telling the report to collect and calculate data sets from the records of a given type and source. In this tutorial, we use sample records representing a sample time period. First, let's select the record type of cost. Second, let's select Campaign 1 as the source because we would like to see the costs of Campaign 1. The next step is to click on the Append Report Item button. On the other hand, we also would like to report the profit of this campaign. That's why we add a new report item by selecting the record type of profit with the same source, Campaign 1. Now we can preview the report. What about records with multiple sources? Let's suppose that our costs and profits are generated by multiple campaigns, which we would like to report. We simply select the desired record sources per each record type. For example, in the case of cost, we select Campaign 1 and Campaign 2. The same for profit. We can see that there are datasets per each record type, source combination in the report preview. There are additional report item settings, which are explained in the next tutorial.